Tell me, do you want to work as a nurse in Germany, earn a good salary, and start your career without any degree? Then Nursing Ausbildung might be the best option for you. Hi, I'm from Lingua and Maggu Global, and in this video, I will tell you what is Ausbildung, how much you can earn, what documents you will need, and how you can apply for this. Watch till the end and let's get started. And if you have not subscribed our channel, then do subscribe it right now. Now let's talk about what is Nursing Ausbildung. So Nursing Ausbildung is basically a training program. It is a 3-year professional training program where you work and learn at the same time. So you get paid every month, and after 3 years you become a fully qualified nurse in Germany. Now let's talk about how much you can earn. So when you are doing your Ausbildung, then in the first year you can earn around 1400 to 1450 euros every month. And when you are in second year, you can earn around 1500 euros, and in the third year your salary will rise around 1550 euros after your Ausbildung is completed. And when you are starting your career, you can earn around 3300 to 3400 euros every month, and after you gain some experience, your salary can rise up to 4000 euros. Now let's see what makes you eligible for this Ausbildung. First of all, you need to be 12th pass with minimum 50%. You need to learn German language up to B2 level at least, and you need to have good communication and interest in healthcare sector. Also, your age should be between 18 to 27 years. All of these things makes you eligible. And if you are from any other stream like commerce or non-med, then also you are completely eligible for this program. Now, if you want to apply, you will need some documents. That is your 10th and 12th mark sheet, a CV in German format, a motivation letter, a passport sized photographs, your German language certificates of B1 and B2 level, and you will also need a medical fitness certificate, police clearance certificate, and APS certificate. APS certificate is necessary for visa application. Now let's see what is the process in applying for Ausbildung. First step is you need to learn German language. First of all, you need to complete at least till B1, and once you are completed with the certificate, we can start applying. But you will need B2 level for visa application. Second step, collect all your documents. Make your CV, motivation letter, and collect all the certificates. Third step is applying to the hospitals. You can send your applications to old age homes, hospitals, and healthcare sectors. And most of the interviews are in online mode. Fourth step is to get your Ausbildung Vertrag or your training contract. If you clear the interview, you will get an official training contract. Fifth step is to get your APS certificate. APS is a verification process where all your documents will be verified, and after that you can apply for the visa. Also, the APS is compulsory for Indian students. Sixth step is to gather your documents for visa application. You need to collect your APS certificates, B2 level certificates, and your training contract. And blocked account is not necessarily needed in this case because the salary is already high. Seventh step is visa appointment and approval. You need to attend the interview at the embassy and wait for the approval. Once your visa is arrived, you can book your tickets and fly to the Germany and start your 3-year Ausbildung. If you find this video helpful, then do like it and share with your family and friends. So this is a complete simple guide for nursing Ausbildung in Germany for Indian students. If you have any query, then you can drop a comment or connect with us through Instagram, WhatsApp, email, and even give us a call, and all the details have been mentioned in the description below. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.